Today I'll walk you through how to add time tracking to Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a time tracking table so you can effectively manage your time and projects. Let's get started. First, open your Notion page. You'll want to create a new page. To do this, type in the / key followed by the word table and select the table view option. This is like laying the foundation for a house. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Once your table is created, it's time to name it. I recommend calling it time tracking. This name will help you easily identify the purpose of this table later on. Next, we need to add a new column for tracking when tasks start. Click on the plus sign to add a new date column and name it start time. This is crucial for calculating how long you spend on each task. Now let's add another date column. Again, click the plus sign, but this time name it end time. This column will help you mark when you finish each task. With both the start time and end time columns in place, we can now calculate the time spent on each task. To do this, add a new column and name it hours spent. This is where the magic happens. Click on the column name hours spent and navigate to edit property. Here you will edit the formula for this column. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will be similar. Once you're in the formula editor, click on edit formula. This is where you'll input the calculation that will determine the hours spent on each task. The correct formula to use is date between end time, start time, minutes fresh /60. This formula calculates the difference between your start and end times in minutes and then converts it to hours. After entering the formula, click on the highlight option to make it visually appealing. Next, change the decimal places to 2. This will give you a cleaner look for your time tracking. More alls. Finally, make sure to test your formula. Ensure that the include time toggle is turned on for both your start time and end time columns. This step is essential for accurate calculations. And there you have it. You've successfully added time tracking to Notion. This setup will help you stay organized and aware of how you spend your time on various tasks. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.